Look, I already know what you're thinking, so let me clear everything up right at the start. Yes, this video will be 100% free. Second, yes, you can create these videos on any device, whether it's an Android phone or a computer. Third, yes, these videos are 100% monetizable. For proof, just take a look at this channel. With only 29 videos, it has gained over 154,000 subscribers. And if you check the popular videos, most of them have crossed 1 million views. You can verify its monetization yourself using any YouTube monetization checker website. So, for those who say AI time travel channels don't get monetized, this is your proof. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these time travel vlogs in just a few minutes. First, go to the GPT library and search for a GPT called Time Travel Vlog. Then click Start Chat. The GPT gives you two options. You can put yourself in a vlog or put a famous person in a vlog. In this case, we're going to put ourselves in a vlog. So click Put Yourself in a Vlog. The GPT will ask which time period you want to travel to. For this example, we want to time travel to the Titanic in 1912. So type time travel to the Titanic in 1912. The GPT will then give you text-to-image prompts and text-to-video prompts. These prompts are already in chronological order, just like a real vlog. Copy the first text-to-image prompt you received. To generate the images, we'll use Google Flow. Even with a free account, you can generate around 50 to 60 images, which is more than enough. Click on New Project. If you're using the free version, select Nano Banana 2, not Pro. You'll see a message that says generating will use 0 credits, meaning you can create images completely for free. Select 16:9 output for YouTube format, then choose how many images you want per prompt. I normally recommend generating 2 images per prompt. Now upload a reference character or a photo of yourself. In this case, we're uploading a reference character. Paste the text-to-image prompt into the prompt section and click Generate. You'll get images like these. Once the images are generated, select the ones you like and download them. Free accounts can download in 2K high resolution, which is more than enough. The GPT also gives you the option to create new text-to-image and text-to-video prompts. You can do this by simply giving it a short description of what you want to see. For example, if you type eating, you'll get 5 new text-to-image prompts and 5 text-to-video prompts. This way, you can create a full vlog with different movie-like shots. We also typed inside bedroom, and the GPT gave us 5 more prompts. Using this method, we created these images in Google Flow with different shots of a character vlogging on the Titanic. Once you've selected all the images you like, go back to the GPT and upload those images. In this case, we picked 4 images that we liked the most. Then simply ask, I need exactly 4 video prompts, 1 for each image. The GPT will then give you video prompts with dialogue for each image. You can adjust the dialogue if you want. First, copy the video prompt you received from the GPT. If you don't like the spoken script, you can easily edit the dialogue in a Google Docs document. Once you've prepared the video prompts, it's time to create the videos using Google Flow again. Go to Google Flow, click on Create Now, then select Nano Banana and choose the video icon. I suggest generating 1 video per image. Upload your first image, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, YouTube output. Copy the corresponding video prompt from the GPT, paste it in, and click Generate. Wait a few moments and your first video clip will be ready. Click the download icon and save it in high resolution. Repeat the same steps for all your images and scenes. Once all the video clips are ready, open any video editing software. We'll be using CapCut for this tutorial. I'm using CapCut on Android, but you can easily do this on PC or laptop as well. Open CapCut, click on the Import button, and upload all the video clips you downloaded from Google Veo 3 AI. Drag the first clip onto the timeline, then place the second clip right after it, followed by the third, and so on, arranging all the clips sequentially. You'll notice a Veo 3 watermark at the bottom. Select 16:9 aspect ratio and crop the video slightly to remove the watermark. Your video will now have a complete story structure. If you want to make it even more engaging, you can add smooth transitions between clips, apply visual effects, adjust the speed, or add background music that fits the satisfying vibe. CapCut has plenty of built-in tools to help you polish the video and make it more attractive to viewers. Once you're satisfied with the final edit, simply click the export button. The finished video will be saved to your device and ready to upload to YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. That's it. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.